Welcome back to the channel. I'm Chima.
I'm Vina.
And we're the Secret Bros.
Yep. So we're back here on day 3 renovation. A lot has changed since day 1 and day 2. If you haven't seen day 1 and day 2 video, click the thing above and check it out. But we're here on day 3. You probably hear some hammering in the background because they're laying down floors today. And they painted, they've done a lot of things. So we're going to walk you guys through and you're going to see what has been going on.
You see, there's a lot of tools here. They've been hard here working. So I just wanted to show you a little bit of the progress. So let's just take you around. Let's have a look at it. As you can see, floors mostly stripped out. This kitchen is actually going to be vinyl with the rest of the unit. Caulking has been completed. The bathtub just needs to work. We've already removed the vanity. There's a new vanity coming. It's going to look a lot nicer. There's going to be a new toilet. And we're going to just, do an overall paint job and fix a little bit of what you see above and make it look nice and clean. This bathroom is going to be an example of how you can spend a little bit of money and make a lot of difference. How much are we spending in this bathroom? Not that much.
I can't remember.
And as you can see, the tiles here are being installed. See the baseboards, everything. The baseboards. And then look at the flooring. It's already been installed. It just needs a nice wash, and we're probably good to go. These are the doors that just need to be. There's another layer of paint.
That's newest on the bottom, on both sides.
Right here, you see the new baseboards have already been installed. You kind of fix some of the irons behind it.
And see, there's a gap here, so there's going to have to be a 1/4 inch to make it look even. It's going to look nice, but right now it doesn't look nice. You can see this gap because it's not 1/4 inch in the spot right there.
Yeah, some of the things that still remain in these, like in a room like this, is right here. The window still needs to, be replaced. You can see there's still some serious cracks up top right here on the frame. I'm not sure about this. Probably gonna have to do something about this.
The stove is here. Over here is something for the air vent over here. They took off one and installed a new one. And down here is where the fridge is. As you guys can remember from the previous video, there was an ugly white cabinet that basically stuck out. You had to kind of lean your head to cook while this was here. And that's gone. We're not putting that back.
Imagine trying to season your food and you're getting yourself.
Last room.
See right here, this is the longer room in the house. The baseboards have been installed all the way around. There's a slight dip in this side of the room that they're gonna fix with the vinyl flooring. And of course the windows still need to be replaced. The paint job is pretty much complete, just needs to do some minor touch-ups. And we may replace these lights, I don't know, but we'll see. What's missing here is that awkward white cabinet. So this room no longer looks like it's a barbershop, and you can just use it as a normal bedroom.
Alright, so we showed you guys around, showed you guys the progress. As you can see, there's been a lot of progress that's went on. There's still a lot more work to do. We hope to update you guys soon, probably on another renovation video, or you guys can see the finished product for upstairs.
But if you want to see some sneak peeks in between these videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel and you follow us on Instagram. We do show, when we come and visit the house, the little changes that we do here and there.
Yep.
So keep it locked on Instagram and make sure you subscribe if you're on YouTube.
So,
Peace.